The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dance
watch out for the man wood. Take him out of me here now. Now this is better for a sound man. Turn him out.
Where phone?
Turn him out. Turn him out.
No, miss. Leave the man.
Leave the man wood.
Leg up for the man. Leg up for the man.
It's on the car over. Watch out.
Oh, you get it for your
Yeah, carry her over. I'm see how one guy to beg me carry her.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is Dancehall Skilla. Big up respect to each and everyone, you know. And first things first, let me say this right about now. See, you see, for those who might have seen this video on social media, because it's out on social media, and some of the context or some of the things that has been said about this video is totally different from what this whole thing is all about. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. This video is out on social media and it shows of a female that has been accused of stealing a phone, right? And that person that is accusing the female of stealing a phone is the man that I say in the video actually complaining to the police officer, and you can see that the two of them having somewhat of an altercation. You see what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? And if you listen carefully, right, you will hear where the man says something about phone and all these things, right? If you listen carefully, you will hear it. And you know, other things. You have to listen carefully to the video, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Now, persons out there make things seems way out of context. You know, some things that has been said about this video. I'm not gonna lie. You know, even in the video, some things that have been said is, you know, sometimes persons out there make things look very awful. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah. So what I tell you is that is the main thing that has been said about the video. And I believe that point where it is said that the female has been accused of stealing the phone, because I listened to the video very carefully and I listened properly. Alright? Yeah, and there's more things out there or more information about this video as well. You see me? Alright, but anyways, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, but they have to keep you up to date and posted, make you know what go on. So until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.